As you prep your boat for the upcoming season, Pettit is excited to offer significant savings on a variety of products needed to make your boating season maintenance-free. For anti-fouling protection on all your underwater metals, we're excited to offer $25 cash back up to 2 kits on Pettit's Running Gear Guardian. Running Gear Guardian provides excellent multi-season anti-fouling protection on all underwater metals, including propellers, rudders, trim tabs, and struts. Running Gear Guardian offers excellent adhesion and corrosion protection and cures to an ultra-smooth, durable, slick finish. For a great multi-season ablative anti-fouling protection, we're also excited to offer $10 cash back per gallon up to 2 gallons on Odyssey HD. Odyssey HD features a high biocide package, enhanced coverage, cleaner colors, and fast dry technology. That means you can paint and launch in the same day. Odyssey HD is backed by 18 months of Pettit's HD Hull Defense Limited Warranty. For water-based multi-season ablative anti-fouling protection, we're also excited to offer $10 cash back per gallon up to 2 gallons on Hydrocode. Hydrocode is easy to apply, easy to clean up, and provides exceptional anti-fouling protection. Hydrocode can be applied over any existing bottom paint and cleans up easily with just soap and water. For copper-free anti-fouling that's incredibly easy to apply to outdrives or trim tabs, we're excited to offer $5 cash back per can up to 2 cans on Pettit's EcoHRT in an aerosol. For non-anti-fouling projects around the vessel, we also have a couple other rebates available. We're excited to announce $15 cash back per gallon up to 2 gallons on our all-new Pettit Tuff Coat. Pettit Tuff Coat is a durable, flexible, rubberized non-skid coating that adds non-slip characteristics to substrates such as fiberglass, wood, concrete, and previously painted surfaces. Pettit Tuff Coat is available in a medium texture, is incredibly durable, and is chemical and UV resistant. Pettit Tuff Coat is available in 15 colors. For projects around the boat requiring a caulk, sealant, or adhesive, we're also excited to offer $5 cash back per cartridge up to 2 cartridges on all our AnchorTech products. AnchorTech sealants and adhesives are engineered specifically for marine use and have 3 perfect options for every project around the boat. AnchorTech Premium Fast Dry is the perfect product for permanent repairs above or below the waterline, such as sealing bilges, underwater light installations, and installing drain plugs. AnchorTech Advanced Hybrid Sealant is perfect for projects above the waterline requiring a flexible sealant. Advanced Hybrid Sealant is perfect for projects like sealing windows and hatches, bath and shower applications, and installing deck hardware. AnchorTech UV-resistant adhesive sealant is a great option for applications above the waterline where exceptional UV resistance is needed. AnchorTech UV-resistant adhesive sealant is perfect for projects like installing dash components, deck plates, and stanchions. All 3 AnchorTech products adhere to a wide variety of substrates like fiberglass, wood, aluminum, glass, most metals and plastics, and most other boat building materials. They are all paintable and will not crack or shrink. To take advantage of these excellent savings, download the rebate form from pettitpaint.com/rebates.